Good afternoon to everyone. Myself Swathy Narayanan. I'm from Kerala. I've done my post graduation in biotechnology, and then I've been joined with BCRI, Bangalore Clinical Research Institute, for pursuing my 3 months course on pharmacovigilance and regulatory affairs. Uh, and my journey with BCRI, actually, my friend suggested me to join the institute so that we can fly with uh, good marks, and we had a couple of good experience as well. We were trained in that institute, like how uh, companies asks interviews us with the same syllabus, and they taught us. Especially, I really want to thank my mentor, Mayuri Roy Sinha ma'am. She was our mentor for the whole 3 months for pharmacovigilance and regulatory affairs. And the way she taught us and the way she prepared us to face all the interviews, it was not like a teacher teaching us students to uh, go out of the school and like it was not like spoon feeding. She taught us how to mm, what to say, how to be very well organized in every and be very well planned as well, and how the interviewers in the companies, MNCs ask questions us or interviews us with their questions, and what are the different type of site searches also we did when we were like doing our whole session. The last 3 months was absolutely a moment to be cherished with her valuable knowledge, and not only with her valuable knowledge, the way she taught us like how the life would be. And it's not easy that how the life would be, and it's not very easy to get job or get to enter. It's not easy to even get an interview call these days, but with her uh, knowledge and the way she taught us, and the way she prepared us to face all the questions and all the interviews. Thus, we faced it, and yet now I'm joined in IQVIA as a lab project service coordinator in Bangalore. So I really want to thank Mayuri Roy ma'am and Purnima ma'am also, because she was working. Actually, I was um, contacting her for my couple of queries which I had at the first time. And at that time itself, I was asking her, ma'am, is it like, do we really get placements offer from this company? I was quite not sure, but right now I'm with 100% surety. I can say that yes, we can be placed with this course, and I'm actually thankful to each and everyone who um, helped us all to remove our obstacles with this course, and yes, we have joined in this company. So thank you all for this support and help. I really wish I would again I thank Mayuri Roy ma'am for this support and guidance. To be frank, her guidance actually made us all very positive in every sense. So thank you all. Thank you so much.